I want to give an update on these window covers that I made, the little awnings for the windows. I am camping here at Lake Lanier, which is gorgeous. It is about 90 degrees, so it's pretty hot. You can see my camper is in full sun. I hung a tablecloth up to try to create some shade under the main awning. But I want to show you, as you can see, that window awning is providing shade to the camper. So instead of the sun beating down hard through this clear window, it's actually making shade. So that is a definitely plus. Another plus I've noticed is it gives me a little privacy. If I lower that just a little bit, I can see out, but people can't really see in with the angle of it. So it does give me some privacy. So I'm going to say I highly recommend making these for your camper if you have windows like this. I still do need to put that white trim on the bottom. I was lazy and just didn't get it done. But it's going to be the same as the white trim here. So that is my campsite for this trip. Of course, it doesn't look its best with the tablecloth hanging there, and again, there's the back window. Well, the awning blew up a little bit, but you can see that that's providing shade also. So highly recommend this. Make some for yours. And there's a boat racing by for you to look at. So I will see you on the next video. Hit that thumbs up. Bye, everybody.